कॅज्यू एक्सपोर्ट प्रमोशन काउन्सिल ऑफ इंडियान पणजे लागसार एका नखेत्री हॉटेलांत 3 दिसांची कॅज्यू इंडिया संवसारीक परिशद दवरिल्ली। देश विदेशांतले मेळून 400 वयर काजू उत्पादक जाळवणदार परिशदेंत वांटेकार जाल्ले। काजू उत्पादनाक लागपी मशिनरी हे परिशदेंत प्रदर्शनाक दवरिल्ली। कॅज्यू एक्सपोर्ट प्रमोशन काउन्सिलान सरकारा कडेन ऑफिसाक जागा मागल्या। मंडळान गोंयचे काजू प्रोडक्शन आनी उद्देगा खातीर योग्य प्लान करीत जाल्यार सरकार खंय जागो दिवंक तयार आसा। ह्या वेवसायांत 80% गुंतवणूक करपाची सरकाराची तयारी आसा म्हूण पर्रीकार उलयलो।
Mr. Sundaram asked for a small office. I'll give it in one condition. I can't say no to that. But one condition I'll give it. If you work out a plan for GOA for improving the production of the plantation, we will sponsor 80% of the cost. Government will bear 80% of the cost. We will only 20% and give us people who will do the actual exercise. Let us try and build up a model in something like 1,000 or 2,000 hectares of land where production can be increased. Because GOA is one of the lowest producing, though the fruit is the nut is tasty, the production is hardly 600-650 kg per hectare, and the national is also not very good. It's probably 800 kg per hectare. We need to take it to 1,200, 1,400.
आपले मध्यस्थीन काजू वेलो GST अर्थ मंत्रालयान 12 वेल्यान 5% मेरेन देंवयलो म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री उलयतालो।
I assure you, I have understood last time when the industry came to me, I took up the issue very strongly with the finance minister, and I am happy that he immediately agreed, understood the problem and brought it down, brought the taxation down from 12 to 5%. He also loves it.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी।